What's up guys, it's your boy Canon Corey, and today is gonna be a lit video because I finally get to collab with another creator, somebody out here in Houston that I've been kind of checking out for a while. She makes videos where she travels a lot and stuff like that, just like I do. And I thought it would be dope for us to kind of get together and talk about what it's like living here in Houston, as well as maybe giving you guys some other tips, things that we do in general.
Hold the door.
I got it.
Yay. Welcome to my humble abode. It's luxury living. Black girl on a budget.
Hey, I feel like you should take a picture here for sure.
All right, let's take one photo. The camera is camera ink.
Yeah, that wide angle. I know y'all just want to see it though. I'll keep it in the background, but look. Today's been a content day, basically, is what we've been doing. We just did like a whole thing outside where we talked to you guys about like being a digital creative here in Houston and some of the things, like some tips and stuff that you guys could take along your journey as we have come along our journeys out here. She's been sponsored a few times as well, so she might be able to tell you a little bit more about that. Just follow the link in the description so y'all can follow her. We way up here on like the 80th floor and stuff, looking over heaven. I don't even know where I'm at. She's in the mirror. No, I was just letting them know, like, it's a really cool place.
I'm so happy it stopped raining. That's the reason why y'all get to see this.
Yes, because it was raining. It was like, I was not trapped, but what's the word?
Pleasant.
I was pleasantly here.
There you go.
In your presence.
Now you make it look like I'm making you say it.
No, I'm not being forced.
And I'm feeding you the words. He wants to be here.
I do. I want to be here.
With me.
I want to be here.
I could be taking a nap, but I don't have to force anybody.
Look at her. Well, who would feel forced to be with her? Look at her.
This first pool, the pool table.
The pool table.
Record play game all by itself.
I did.
I don't know how to play, so.
We were trying to figure out some important things.
This is decor for me.
It's all good. So where are we trying to go out to now?
We're going to the amenity that closes at 10 p.m. Because I know y'all like to think it's 24 hours. This is not the club. It closes at 10 p.m. Hookah Lounge.
Right.
My humble abode. This is my favorite view right here. Yep.
Oh, look at the wind. Oh,
yeah.
Just stand there looking to the distance like. Get your Beyonce on.
Yeah. Oh, stop.
Yep, there you go.
Don't do that.
Let the wind carry that hair.
But yes, this is our pool. Our rooftop pool. For shorties like me. I think it's like 3 feet deep. It's not deep at all. It's like, yeah. But anyways, it's still a pool. And I love her.
Oh yeah, we gotta take a picture. Let me stop the camera. Yeah, so this is a dope pool. That's high up, that has bird feathers everywhere, and chocolate women with blonde hair just strolling past you. It's very good selling points. I'm trying to sell you guys on getting a place like this. So for me, I was planning on getting a high rise like this so I could be able to have the city behind me, so I could be able to be inspired all the time.
Let's guess what these people have on the table. Come on.
What? What is going on the table?
What do you think that is? There's too many bags of them, okay?
It's not no bag. It's not. It's not.
I didn't say it was that.
But
I thought it was too many bags of them.
It's cushions of some sort that go into like a. It's cushions. Once again, if y'all want to follow her, link is in the description. You know what I'm saying? Shoot your shot. I heard from a little birdie that you could possibly shoot the shot. It may go in. It may swish and you didn't even know it was going to do that. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, in my personal... It's not drugs. Oh my God. Look at these birds though. Oh.
Nothing's going to happen to you.
Because you got the blonde hair.
They're respectable birds. Okay?
Why do you have your blonde hair?
Beyonce. I'm going to see Bae. It's Virgo season. It's giving. So.
Wait, Virgo? Are you a Virgo?
Of course.
That's why you all hyped up about this Beyonce concert. When's your birthday?
September 2nd. 2 days before Beyonce. Yeah.
Your birthday just passed?
Yes. That's why I was in the
Oh, that's
Salvador.
right.
Oh my gosh, it's clicking for him now, y'all.
And I forgot to. Well, I didn't know. No, there we go. Now we on camera, and you said, Corey, you didn't even tell me happy birthday. And then I had wrote it on your wall.
No, you didn't. You said you forgot to hit the send button.
I thought I forgot to hit it.
And then I said, go ahead and spin. Go ahead and hit that U-turn.
But then you saw, but you had saw that I did actually.
When did I see that?
Because you liked it. You hit the like on me saying happy birthday on your wall. It was before I actually posted it.
Did I really?
Yes. See, that's why I don't even.
It's still Virgo season.
Alright, well.
Still Virgo season.
Alright,
I'm still gonna slay. I'm still gonna slay. So.
I'm getting hungry.
Through the whole month. We don't do a day. We don't do birthday dinners. And then we come back and we slay for you. Comment.
You know, these are. Hold on, y'all are not commenters. First of all, don't let her get beside herself. I can't wait till I get on her YouTube channel. Hold on, my people is not civilians. These are outstanding citizens who are about something in their life. I don't know what they about, but they about something. Leave a comment and tell her what y'all about.
I didn't even see your birthday comment. I still don't know what you're talking about.
I'm about to cut out the camera.
Get the view of these clouds, though.
I was getting the view.
These clouds are cloudy.
I'm about to take a picture too, actually.
Canon Corey. Oh my gosh, free tickets to see Canon Corey. Canon Corey. Give us 5 tips right now on how to build a YouTube channel. Go.
Alright, share your link, collab with other creators, come up with some dope content, make some really good thumbnails, and don't give up.
Alright.
Alright, so y'all leave a comment down below if y'all feel like me and MELINSLAYY. Y'all leave a comment if me and MELINSLAYY should go hang out after this or do something besides just do a YouTube video giving y'all advice. And then tell us where to go.
I'm listening to your interactive
I'm waiting for them to let me know. Well, I gotta read.
You haven't even uploaded this video yet.
I could have went live on YouTube. They
You
did
could have, but did you?
Hold on.
It's because I have brothers. So you know what? I don't let nobody boss me around. I had to fight for my life, and I'm done fighting. I'm not struggling. Isn't there another button right there? Yeah. I didn't know what that does.
I don't even know what that does. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Leave comments on her page, my page. Subscribe to her page. Instagram. We collaborate. That's the reason why I reached out today, because I really do value collaborating, because that's really like the shortcut and key to life is networking with other people. Like, you know, I know we out here being goofy and all that, but like the major thing you guys should take from this is just find somebody in your city or find somebody that does what you do and y'all collab, because you never know what type of great things could come out of it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to get up off this camera because my hand hurt, my arm hurting. I'm holding this, and she is being her. And I think we getting hungry or something. I don't know. I might get something to eat soon. She look like she hungry. I ain't even gonna ask her. So, all right. So I'm about to holler at y'all. Peace. What's up, y'all? So, trying to bring out some fire content right now, but we having technical difficulties. But it's coming, I promise. Y'all gonna hear from her in a second. But the views is viewing, you feel me? They are definitely fire out here.
Yes. Let me just double check.